are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share.
Hi everyone, today we are going to introduce a special dish. This is our uncle's tasty recipe, a very special chicken mandi. For this special mandi, we are going to take half kg chicken. Marinate the chicken. We need 1.5 teaspoon black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seed, 1.5 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, 3 whole garlic, red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon and salt. Mix up the powder, heat all the ingredients. Grind all the items together. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons olive oil to the mixture. Now marinate the chicken with this mixture. Now keep it for 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the rice. For this we need some coriander, pepper, dry lemon, bay leaves, cinnamon, clove, garlic, onion and capsicum. Cut the onion, garlic and capsicum. Take a pot and pour sunflower oil in it. Put the pieces of onion, capsicum and ginger. Saute it for few minutes. Now add all the spices and saute very well. Get 4 cups of soaked rice and saute it till the water dry. We have to add water now. It's 1:1.5 proportion. So we add 6 cup water for 4 cup rice. Cover it with double layer foil paper. Make small holes with toothpick. Put the chicken above the foil paper and cover it with double layer foil paper. Keep the flame high for 5 minutes and 25 minutes medium to low flame. Once you complete 30 minutes, both rice and chicken will be cooked. Get some charcoal, flame it and put it in small pot. Keep it on the rice. Pour some oil, it will become smoky. Again, cover it with a foil paper for 5 minutes and it will be completely ready. We can make tomato chutney with this dish. For this, take 2 tomato, half onion, few mint, small piece ginger, 2 garlic and 1 green chili, and add enough salt to grind it. Now our chutney is ready. Our uncle's tasty chicken mandi is ready to serve. It is very tasty. You can try out this in Eid celebration and it's so delicious. We loved it very much. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.